You do not have to be bedridden to be able to qualify for Social Security disability. Of course, when people hear the term disability, they immediately kind of picture in their mind someone in a wheelchair or someone that is stuck in bed and can't do anything. Well, that's not the way that Social Security determines who's disabled. For Social Security disability purposes, the way that you are approved is if Social Security determines that you are not able to work any kind of full-time job due to your health. And really the way to think of it is more about practical day-to-day limitations. So, for example, if you have trouble standing or walking for very long because maybe you have diabetes and you have neuropathy in your feet, well, that affects how long you can be on your feet or how long you can walk. So that limits what you're able to do day to day. Maybe you have trouble going to the grocery store on your own or something like that. So think of it more in terms of practical day-to-day limitations. Another example of a disability that our clients have, or a limitation that our clients have, is a limitation on sitting. They cannot sit for extended periods of time because perhaps they have a back issue or a back injury. That means they can't be sitting upright for very long, and maybe during the day they have to lay down in their bed or lay down on the couch. Another example is if you have issues with your hands. You can't do things with your hands for very long because maybe you have arthritis, and that affects your ability to get dressed with buttons in the morning, or you have trouble doing your hair because of these issues. Anything that disrupts your day and has an impact on what you're able to do day to day is potentially an issue that you can qualify for disability with. So